Ever feel overwhelmed by data? Let's simplify it. Metrics are your business's heartbeat. Learn to listen. Discover how key metrics can drive your success and transform your real estate strategies. Meet your new best friend, the Vitals tab. It provides a snapshot of your business health, offering insights at a glance. Learn to navigate and customize your Vitals scoreboard for maximum efficiency. With the Vitals tab, you can track progress on your goals effortlessly. Customize your view to focus on what matters most, ensuring you stay on top of your game. By understanding these insights, you can make informed decisions that propel your business forward. The Vitals tab empowers you to act swiftly and strategically. Recap: metrics, insights, and informed decisions are your keys to success. By mastering the Vitals tab, you'll boost your business and enhance client satisfaction. Start exploring the Vitals tab today and watch your success grow. It's time to take control of your business metrics and make data-driven decisions. Let's take action together. Dive into the Vitals tab now and transform your real estate strategies. Your journey to success starts here. Please take a peek at the step-by-step tutorial below. Just scroll down.